If you're sick of getting alerts for cameras you're already fixing or explaining to your colleagues that that camera is not actually down, the whole building's under construction, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to use the Boring Toolbox's maintenance mode. Okay, first things first. You can see one camera's offline on the dashboard. Go to hardware. Clickety-click. Find that offline camera. Click. Change the status. That's right. Hardware maintenance. Want it on. Enable. Yes. Ding ding. Pro tip. Add a note to this description field. Include things like why is it maintenance, when you expect it to be back online, yada yada. And since I know you already have your scheduled reports already set up, this little note will be included in all those reports to your colleagues, so you don't have to double explain why that camera's down. The note will already be there. Bada boom. And if this feature saves you even one unnecessary email, we've done our jobs right. Now that you have that all done, you can go back to your dashboard and you see blue. Blue, you're in the clear. Good work.